Hey YouTube, GarageBase here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2008 Hyundai Elantra. This car was a smoker, so I'm going to not only replace it, but also kind of show you a little trick on how to remove the smell. Just buy a couple of products, but it's very easy. I'm going to put the link in the description for the air filter. There's different brands, but I'm just going to put one. And you can check it out. Check the description below if you want to buy that. And also, I'm gonna add a product on the filter itself for smoke remover. And then this product, once I spray it on the filter, is gonna spray through the vents and kind of clean the system on the inside and kind of stop that smell from smoke, cigarette, from the inside of the car whenever you turn on the AC. So first of all, to get into your air filter, I'll make this video kind of quick. You're gonna open in here your glove compartment, and your air filter's back there. So we're gonna have to not remove, but just open these little clips on the side so you can drop your glove compartment. And it's very easy. The way these things work is you kind of have to press it out. See, there's a little clip on this side. I'm not sure you can see it, but the idea is to move your glove compartment a little bit up and push this clip up. That way you can bring it to the side. See, just push it a little bit up and you can bring it out here. Once it's out here, you can push it back just like that. I'm not sure if that makes any sense, but I'm gonna remove one and then show it to you. And then you have to kind of close your glove compartment, make space to bring the black part out, the little rubber. And it comes out, but it's better if you just leave it like that and then do this side because it's still holding the glove compartment. Again, just kind of pull towards you. As you can see there, it comes out, and then you can bring it down, this whole thing. See, bring it down. So you pull out, bring down, and then that will give it more space. You can bring this out, and you can actually go through and open the whole glove compartment. And just the way this mechanism works is just, see this rubber? If you want to remove it. You don't have to anymore, but if you want to remove it, just run it through and push it through the hole. Very simple. It's just this, okay? So this goes back in just like this, and see, just like that. And whenever you put it in, you're gonna just push this in through the hole and put this in. So basically, and push this in, just like that. But anyways, now that you remove this, you're gonna come here to the side, and you see this little black thing holding on this grip. It's not a clip itself. You can just actually close a little bit your glove compartment and kind of bring this out. You can use a flathead, but just like that, see, just brought this out. It's not a clip where you can press it down. You just push it, bring it out, and once you do that, your glove compartment is just gonna fall like that. I'm sorry, it's always out of focus, but just like that, very simple. And now see, right here you have your air filter, interior cabinet air filter. So you're just gonna go ahead and on this side, there's a couple of clips. Just go ahead and press that little, squeeze those clips just like this and pull out. On that side, there's a little stick. It goes in there in that little hole whenever you put it back, and just clip on this side. That's it. Once you take it out, I already replaced mine, but let me show you what you're gonna do now anyways. You're gonna just go ahead and bring it out. Try to use both of your hands and just pull one side and then the other side, and then just go ahead and remove it. Let me save us the time and do this and then show you what to do next. Okay, so now that it's out, see, this is the brand new one. Based on the airflow, as you can see here, how to put it back in, I'm gonna put it like this because the airflow, the air blower, it's at the bottom, the blower, and the air goes up, so the airflow is going like this. It's going up. So you're gonna put it in like this, but before it goes in, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this Armor All Orange Fresh Smoke Off, and I'm gonna open it, and I'm just gonna spray my filter and in there as well, and spray all this, and then put it back in the car, put everything back together, and I'm gonna turn on my AC, and I'm gonna hit recycle off. So I'm gonna make sure that this button right here, this one is off. So this light is off. That way I can get air from the outside and kind of push all that in and make sure everything goes through the air filter. And just turn on my AC all the way full blast and drive the car a little bit and this will kind of clean your smell in the vents. I'm also gonna go ahead and spray this on the ceiling and the headliner of the vehicle. So basically all this, because actually this is where all the smoke gathers whenever you have a smoker in the car. So you're gonna go ahead and see how dirty this is. I'm probably gonna clean this up a little bit with a towel and whatever product I have, and then spray this on my headliner, because that's what actually smells. That, and obviously the carpet and all that, but don't forget to spray the headliner. And just go ahead and empty this bottle in your car, close your doors, and just do it like that. This will help you a lot. So hopefully this video helped you guys. If you don't have to get rid of the smell, you just want to change your filter, well, there you go. Very simple. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.